is 12 good weeks, guys. 12 weeks, which is 3 months already on this mini braids challenge. So am I tired of this hair already? Do I want to take it down? Do I wish to continue on this mini braids challenge? Keep watching to find that out. Like I said, this is my 12 weeks mini braids update, and it's been a while. I know I've not been giving you guys some updates like I promised I'll be doing. So as you can see, my hair is growing. My hair is growing. So this is what my hair looks like at 12 weeks. I did mention in one of my videos that I was going to be going on 6 months protective styling, and yeah, it's 12 weeks, which is like 3 months, and this is what my hair is looking like. So I feel like the journey has been kind of up and down as far as this 6 months mini braids challenge is concerned, because contrary to what I thought, I felt like I was going to be very strict and very consistent with my routine as regards to this 6 months challenge, but I have not been very consistent, guys, especially with my moisturization routine. So I've been skipping a lot of moisturization routine. Like I could go a week without moisturizing my hair. Not that it has any effect on my hair right now, but I like to be on top of my game. And because during the 3 months mini braid challenge I did last, I was very intentional, on a daily. Like I like to make sure that I do all that is needed in terms of scalp massaging, moisturization, and all those things. So pretty much I got so busy that I just tucked my hair away. And yeah, but as you can see, the growth is coming in, and there's been some level of growth in some places that usually didn't get that much growth, especially with regards to my observation in the last 3 months protective style challenge I did. So far so good. My ends are doing okay, so I was just checking to see if there are any knots or anything that I need to clip off. So I found one, and I really wanted to show you guys so you can see how I clip my knots off. So that one strand that is carrying that knot, I'm going to clip it off from there. There were not many knots that I had to clip off, because of course when your ends are always tucked in, there is really nothing much you need to do, because your ends are tucked away. They are not rubbing off against each other to form those knots. So yeah, so I think I just had a few strands I needed to clip some knots off, and that was it. So this is how my hair is looking like. Like I said, I've not been totally consistent with my remoisturization routine. Even my scalp massages, I've not been consistent with it. So this is me telling you guys my truth, as regards to how my hair has been so far since the last 1 month update I gave you guys, where I was rebraiding my edges. And of course I did mention that I wasn't going to be rebraiding my entire braids. So if you want to know if I'm tired or I don't want to go ahead with the 6 months, I could pretty much just decide to take my braids down right now, because it's 3 months already. Why not take it down at 3 months? Why 6 months? But I am still pushing for it. I'm still going for 3 months extra, which is to make it 6 months. So yeah, I just thought to show you guys what my hair is looking like. Yeah, I've not been consistent with my remoisturization and scalp massages, yes, but I'm still going for my 6 months challenge. I'm trying so hard to make sure that this next 3 months remaining, I'm going to do better, with regards to my routine and what I need to be doing, especially the scalp massages. I really need to be consistent with that. So yeah, so far so good. It's been good. My edges are the only part I want to be rebraiding, which is of course maybe once in a month or once in 6 weeks, and that is it. nothing else. The back section of my hair is going to remain that way. So that is all for this video. This is just my 12 weeks mini braid update. I wanted to share this with you guys so you know how I'm progressing on this journey. And if you are on the journey as well, do make sure you're not like me. Remoisturize your hair if you need to, and yeah, and stay consistent with your routine. But of course, these things don't just happen like that, because of course I didn't plan not to be consistent, but life happened, and yeah, you just kind of place other things as priorities. So yeah, so far so good. This is the result. So maybe when I'm doing my front section rebraiding, I'm going to let you guys know if my lack of consistency has cost me any loss or any negative impact on my hair. So that is all for today's video. If you do enjoy this video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.